Welcome back to another video. So we're going to be installing this luxury floor mat I just bought off a seller off of eBay. So and then you take a look, I still have the original OEM winter floor mat. So I'm going to take all of that out, vacuum it, and then we're going to install this. Now with all the original all-season floor mat out, now it's time to vacuum it. Got this off of Amazon for like $20-something. So can't afford a big one, just get this one. All you have to do is start up your car and connect it to the power outlet. So first thing first, this is going to be the driver's side. That's going to be the passenger. That's going to be the rear seat. So this is how the fitment looks like. You can see this side is covering the gas opener, and then this is just hang it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this back. I'm gonna tuck it behind this plastic panel, and we'll see how it looks. So this is how it look like after I tuck it in. So I just start from under here, slide my finger up, and then pull this out, and then slowly slide it in. But it looks like that. I'd rather tuck this behind the plastic panel so that I know that it's secure. And this is how it looks right here for the dirt brake pedal that you rest your foot. And then of course this is the gas. Later on in a different video in the future, I'm gonna probably do some modification, create like a little slip right here so I'll have access, and then probably velcro this down to the side panel. This is how it looks so far. So this is how it looks like on the passenger side. Again, this goes there, and then under there, and of course I'm gonna take this and tuck it under here. So this is how it looks like after I tuck it behind this side panel. I recommend once you tuck it under, grab like a flat piece like a card or something flat and long so you can push it under, and then it'll lay flat behind here. But that's how it looks. So this is how rear row looks like. So of course what I'm gonna do is this right here, I'm gonna tuck it under the seat so it'd be more secure. Alright, so we got this piece tucked under the seat. Now what I end up doing is I'm gonna tuck this luxury floor mat under this metal piece so it can hold it down. Same thing with this area. And now we're gonna look behind the passenger side. Basically the same concept. See, tuck it behind this metal so it can hold in place, and the same thing here. Now this is how it looks like from the back. It actually looks clean. And then now let's take a look at the front. I don't really like the driver's side too much. We'll make an adjustment later on in a future video, but this is how it looks. Everything's secure. Just give it a few days, or level out and be flat. Don't look too bad. So this is how the luxury floor mat install look like for 2004-2008 Acura TL. Thanks for watching.